How and when do I pay for my cleaning services? Are you wondering what forms of payment we accept? Hi, I'm Heather, one of our friendly client concierges at Executive Maids, and I'm here to make your payment process a breeze. To ensure convenience, we gladly accept all major credit cards. When you schedule your initial cleaning, we ask for a 50% deposit to secure your reservation. This ensures your preferred time slot is exclusively yours. The remaining balance will be billed after our dedicated cleaning professionals complete your cleaning. And if you want to show your appreciation to your cleaning professional, you can add a gratuity to the invoice. This adds to your convenience. At Executive Maids, your security and privacy are paramount. Rest assured, your card details are securely encrypted so that no one has access to your account. Give us a call to discuss your home and your cleaning needs and any questions or concerns you may have about hiring a professional cleaning service, because we are here to help you.